athletes and ensure better retention in school-based sports programs. When more girls participate in sports, more girls gain access to knowledge that sports teach best. The technique and strategy beat brute force, that grace under pressure is strength, and that greed is built through discipline. Those are not just athletic values, they are leadership values. That is why we also recognize women in leadership roles. Women who do not only lead, but comprehensively improve systems, pushing for athlete welfare, stronger safeguarding of policies, and more inclusive programming. On the level of